and we can finally answer the question, is this chip a good chip? I am so excited for this one. Carnivore chips. So before I started the carnivore diet, I was obsessed with potato chips. If you are what you eat, I am truly an onion potato chip. I could easily eat 2 packs per day, even 3 if nobody was looking. Not that I'm proud of it, that's kind of sick in the head, but that was my life, right? And a while ago, I was just browsing YouTube and I saw Steak and Butter Girl posted carnivore chips. And I wanted to try it, but then I never did. Then I forgot about it, and now we are here. The idea is very simple. You take egg whites, you beat them, you bake them, you have potato chips. So we are going to find out, is this chip a nice chip? As I already mentioned, essentially we simply just need egg whites. Either you separate them yourself or you have egg whites from the store, and also some hard cheese. In my case, this is not Parmigiano actually. This is the G one. I don't know what it is, but it's a cheese. Anyways, in her video, Bella, I think is her name, she mentions that you can use, obviously, the hand mixer, but she also said that you can do it manually. And here on Meet Carnivore, we just love manual work. So I'm adding all these egg whites into a tray here because I don't have any other use for them. I see they are not expired yet. And let's start having some fun. I hate my life. Yeah, soon the batteries will be out of my hand mixer. Okay, I mean, we can achieve this foamy part. Essentially, now is the time. If you want to add some spices, you add them now and you mix it more. I think I'm going to add, of course, only salt in this case, but I'm going to do it straight in the muffin trays. So let's get to it. Yes, I'm so tired. Chips, 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 chips. So we are taking a teaspoon. So teaspoon, and we kind of get this foam and load it in, I guess. That seems easy. She was also using animal fat in order to grease the muffin trays a bit. But I know that once in a video that I made, I mean, obviously somebody pointed out to me, and afterwards it was obvious that these are silicone trays, so I shouldn't need to grease them. But I think I'm gonna do like 2 or 1.5 teaspoon per what is this called? Cupcake form? Mold. Cupcake mold, yes. No. Yeah, like this is too much, right? But it's okay. It's going to do. Well, this is kind of funny. If this is gonna work out, I'm gonna be very happy. If this is not going to work out, I'm going to be very happy. Okay, so now I have a lot for my batch number 1. I'm topping it off with salt. As I said before, if you are using other spices, you can mix it straight into the foam and then like beat it more. But we'll add a bit of salt in each. If I miss some, it's fine. Nobody cares. It's for me anyways. Maybe adding it in the foam made more sense than doing this, but it's okay. And now we take some of this cheese and just sprinkle, twinkle, twinkle, little star, just like that. A bit here, a bit here, a bit there. Here, 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 here. Perfect. And now we take this bag of mandarinches, and obviously we do nothing with it. I just wanted you to raise your eyebrows a bit and think what this guy is doing. This guy is asking you to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you. So now we are going to load this into my air fryer. If you're using an oven, you want to do this at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. If you're an air fryer buddy just like me, then we are going to run this operation at 180 degrees for around 8 minutes, maybe 9. I'm paranoid. Let's go. In the meantime, I already beat more egg, and I'm going to now add the salt inside and then beat it some more. So we just go wild. I think this one more portion, and then if I'll have enough for one more, then I'm going to add some other spices for my girlfriend to try. Although her favorite chips are with salt, so that's fine. Perfect. That went really fast. Oh, they look done. Let's take them out. Let's see. Very hot. Yeah, some of them are a little bit thinner than I wished. I need something. I have nothing. Yeah, at least one thing for sure. They come out easily, just like that. So you don't need to grease them as long as you use silicone. They look very cool. I wonder how they taste. Of course, you don't have to add cheese. Yeah, let's leave some of them out. That's round number 2. 7 minutes this time. I really cannot wait. I really have to try one. No way. No way. They are really good. Okay, yeah, I added so much salt. Probably doing the other way is a lot better. But wow, am I surprised. Oh, yeah. I'm so excited. And for the last batch, I added some chili, some garlic, and some salt for my girlfriend to try. Honestly, after trying these, I'm so excited for her to try it. Well, or maybe I have only 2, I don't know what happened, but all the foam went bye-bye when when I added the spices and a little bit. And then I couldn't beat it anymore. So maybe somebody can tell me in the comments, what did I do wrong? Well, except for adding spices. This is a carnivore channel after all, so I know that. But what's the science behind it? I have no idea where I messed up. Anyways, 2 we're gonna have. That we have. Let's wait for everything to done, and then we'll do the final taste test. Okay, so I cannot be trusted, but now the true taste tester has arrived, and we can finally answer the question: is this chip a good chip?
Okay, let's try. Hello, everyone. I like chippies. It's fine. I would give it like 6 out of 10.
What you don't like?
The crunch is good, but it's just like too salty.
Yeah, I oversalted.
Okay, and the eggs, I don't know. Oh, some of them are really nice, crunchy.
Yeah, I did a couple of batches.
Some of them are really nice. These ones. These ones even 8 out of 10 for chippies, but these ones, I really see it's like...
Yeah. Don't try this one then. Try the good ones.
Yeah, just too salty for me.
Yeah, I did oversalt.
But
And
chippies.
I made another batch especially for you with other spices, but
Paprika powder maybe.
it was with garlic and with chili, but it's not here anymore.
No.
Yeah, well, thank you.
Thank you.
Try out these chips. Let me know in the comments what you think. And yeah, see you next time.
Bye.